Hey guys! So basically I just took a shower. It's better to do this when you just took a shower. I like to take a shower first because it'll get my hair all clean and then it's like wet still. So you definitely want to do this hairstyle while your hair is still wet. If you don't want to take a shower or like go through all that, you can easily just like get a water bottle or a spray bottle and spray your hair while you're doing this. But I'd recommend just taking a shower first. But yeah, all you're gonna need for this is some flexi rods. Let's get on to the video. I'm gonna show you guys how I actually achieve these curls overnight without any heat or anything like that. So just keep on watching. So you're gonna wrap the hair around the rod again. Oop. Super tightly. And then close it. And then I take this part and then I close it. And I bend it and then secure it just like that. Okay, so I just did one side, secured that. Okay, so I'm done. It's currently 11:13 p.m. I started like at 10 something after that, 10:40 I think. So it didn't take me that long, to be honest. Yeah, so basically what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go to sleep. And yeah, I left this little chunk of hair right here because I don't know, I guess I forgot. But I'm not gonna do this part because that's the part where I'm gonna braid, and I'm also gonna like curl it after. I'm probably gonna take them out like in 8 hours. I would wait 8 hours if you're not gonna go to sleep, if you're just gonna be wearing these around the day, and then you're just gonna want to take them out, because you can do that too, but just make sure you wait 8 hours before taking them off, because you don't want to do none of that. You don't want to do it and then be like nothing happened. You're like, but that's not gonna happen because this is gonna be perfect. This is gonna be all cute. And yeah, now I'm gonna go to sleep, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye, babies. Okay, so now it's like somewhere around 1 in the morning, like 1 p.m. because I just got ready and then I just left these in. So I have my mom here and she's just gonna braid my hair. I also did my makeup. I used a new Urban Decay foundation and I like it. It's pretty natural, to be honest, but it's fine. And now she's just braiding my hair. Me vas a arrancar todo mi pelo. Desde abajo, no, nomás like, I just want it like half. Un pedacito? Yeah, nomás un pedacito. You want a blue liga, a purple liga, pink liga, yellow liga. Muy cute.
Siempre no me queda la primera vez.
Ow! It's okay. Round 2. Try number 2. Okay, now you have to put my hair. Period. Let me show y'all how to braid my hair. Can y'all even see? Okay, y'all, so I just curled these little pieces of hair. Where's it going? Okay, so I just finished curling these little parts of his.
Ahora no nos habías hablado, mi amor. ¿Ya
My mom's
saliste?
calling my dad in the background.
¿Ya saliste?
So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna curl this little piece with this tiny little curling iron. It's what to do. Oop. I feel like a rainbow. But yeah, anyways, I'm just curling up these pieces.
Mira, es Jonathan, hija.
¿Me está llamando? Contéstale.
No, del de madera.
Shit, is he outside or no?
De madera de...
Mami, contéstale a Jonathan.
No sé cómo. Te voy a cortar eso.
Okay, this is the last one.
Mira, Richie, ándale, te habla.
Hold on, my boyfriend's calling me. A ver.
Échale.
Oh my god, I was filming this whole time.
Ya sé.
Okay, I'm
Es
back.
que le hablaba a Jonathan.
So now I just finished curling my hair. This is the only part that I'm gonna add heat, I promise, okay? This is still a heatless hairstyle. You don't have to do this. You can just braid the whole hair and then it'll still look cute, but I just like the whole hair braided. I mean, curled, so yeah. Okay, then I'm gonna show you guys how I take off these curls. I can't even see. I'm looking at my viewfinder. Then I just twist them up.
Para que veas que es trabajador. ¿Verdad?
Okay, or you could just slip it off, but
Sí, te digo que este ya me animé.
okay.
Crece y se...
And they're all out.
Nunca le había hecho algo a mi...
Liked watching it. This is the finished product. I really like it. This is a really fun hairstyle. It's like pretty bold, and to make it even bigger, you could also separate the curls and just like this you can make them bigger and like more poofy, more like add a little something to it. Yeah, that's the end of the video. I'll show you guys the finished product. Bye guys. Thank you guys for watching.